Hi folks, Wes at Lochmandy Chevrolet Buick. I hope you're having a great day. You're catching me in my civvies here today. It's a Saturday morning and I'm picking up breakfast for the family. But I wanted to show you something that you might not be aware of about your vehicle, especially the Silverado. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So folks, what I'm talking about today is voltage regulation. Now, back in the day, we were always worried about making sure that the alternator would charge the vehicle, and we're still worried about that, but we have more regulation available through the computer systems. Let me show you what I mean. If you take a look at the voltage gauge on the truck right now, I have just driven this truck for about 35-40 minutes. When I first started the truck up, folks, you would see that voltage gauge sitting at about 14, maybe a little higher on the voltage. As the truck is driven and the alternator recoups more of the energy that was used in starting the truck, the computer sees that the voltage of the battery has increased and it starts to decrease the output of the charging system. So if you see your voltage gauge dropping as you drive your Silverado, it's probably a normal condition. Where we're going to be concerned about is if we see that gauge dropping down below, where you can see here, the normal range. If it's dropped below that, you're also going to have other warnings that come on in the dash to let you know that there's something happening that we need to address. Hope this helps a little bit with some information about your vehicle. Have a great weekend. Hope to talk to you soon.